Coca-Cola chicken wings, yummy yummy! Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to cook Coca-Cola chicken wings at home, which is easy but super delicious. The ingredients are as follows. Let's begin. First, we cut the chicken wing into 3 parts. Then we throw this part away as we think it is better for our health. We keep the other 2 parts. Then we make a few shallow cuts on both sides of the wings. This helps seasoning and the sauce soak in better. Put the chicken wings into a pot and cover them with water. Then add some slices of ginger. It really helps freshen up the taste. Turn on the heat and cook over medium heat. When it starts boiling, let it cook for a few minutes. Skim off any foam. It keeps everything nice and clean. Then take the wings out. Put the wings on some paper towels. Cover them and pat them dry. This prevents the oil from splattering later. Put your pan over medium heat and add some oil. When the oil is warm, put the chicken wings into the pan and let them cook. When one side looks nice and golden, flip them and cook the other side in the. When both sides of the wings are golden, put some ginger and star anise. Stir it for a bit. And then add some soy sauce. And finally, add a can of cola. Cover it and let it cook for some time. When it starts boiling, turn the heat down to low and let it simmer for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take off the lid and turn the heat up to medium and let the sauce reduce. When the sauce gets sticky and thick, just squeeze in half a lemon for a fresh kick. Put the chicken wings on a plate. Put some sesame on top. Then it's done. Thank you for watching. See you next video.